Welcome to Tackett's House of Horsepower. It's me, Steve Tackett, and this is going to be another week of no wrenching. I have plenty to do. I just can't do it. And let me show you why. I've got tree branches down everywhere. That ice storm, it really did a number on all the trees. My house is basically surrounded by trees, tree row, and it's nice. Don't get me wrong, I love it. But watch this. If I can get over here. So, tree branches like this are just laying down everywhere. But that's nothing. This is nothing. Wait till you see this. This is my neighbor's yard. I am now in my neighbor's yard. And these trees fell and snapped off everywhere. One of them completely uprooted, and it is just basically, luckily it didn't hit nothing. That's her shed right there. But basically this tree is massive. I don't know what to do here because I'm kind of just me by myself with a chainsaw. So this thing is massive. Okay, let me stand next to it so you can get an idea. I'm 6'1". This tree is way above me, and the roots are twice my height. I mean, that's literally, I couldn't jump and touch that if I had to. So I've got a lot of cleanup to do. I feel bad. This is my neighbor's yard. I got to clean this up. So as much as I would love to work on the cars, I gotta fix this. And I can't leave my neighbor's yard looking like this. It's not right. She's awesome. She's cool. And you know, it is what it is. Ice storm. What can you do? It was pretty bad. And a lot of trees went down. Some people, like closer to Nashville and stuff, they didn't have power, or they still don't have power today. And it's been, like I said, over a week. So I couldn't imagine. We were very lucky. We only lost power for a couple hours. And so that's a good thing, because I think I said it before in my last video. My house is all electric, so I lose power and I don't have a furnace, I don't have a stove, I don't have a water heater, nothing. So anyway, my other video, the last time I did work on the car, hold on, let's flip this around. You don't want to see my face anyway. I think it's unanimous that everyone seemed to like the slot mags. So I think we're going to keep them. I am going to put some much, you know, at least, I think we said these are 70 series tires. If we could drop these down to like a 185/60 14, that would get that front tire a lot smaller. And if we can lower the front end, I don't know, at least an inch or two, give it a slight rake, you know, rake the front down. Just, I like the front to be just a little bit lower than the back. So anyway, that's going to be the look. That's the look we're going for, the Joe Dirt look. And so the slot mags are going to stay. I think everyone seemed to like it. So anyway, slot mags are going to stay on the 63, but I can't get any work done right now. This is my yard, and it did okay. There's a big piles of branches everywhere. Some are laying on the fence, and that's not a big deal. The big thing is that tree over there, the one that's literally blocking my neighbor's entire yard. But if you look, there is just tree branches everywhere. Big ones snapped off. During the weekend, we would just come out on the porch and you can hear snap or pop and then every couple minutes. So I don't even know. I haven't even walked the tree row back there behind the shop and stuff. I'm sure it's just terrible. So I'm gonna run to the store. I'm gonna get some gas and oil, 2-stroke, and I'm just gonna start cutting and chopping. I mean, there's no easy way to do it. We just gotta start making the big pieces smaller, you know. Well, I've been out here for a couple hours. I got pretty far. A couple piles here, a couple piles there. Started some possible firewood piles. Another pile here. Chopped all this up. But yeah, it still looks like I barely put a dent in it. Oh man, I haven't even started on that thing. But I don't know. I talked to my neighbor. He's got a landscape business. So I told him maybe he could come help me out. Send his guys over. Maybe we'll get this out of here. So I could possibly, hopefully, have this done this week. And then I could be back in the garage, or sorry, driveway, next weekend. So let's shoot for that. I'll keep going for a little while. The sun's still out. So anyway, we're starting to dig out from under the ice. It is slowly starting to melt. It is 31 degrees right now. So it's almost freezing. Oh, we're almost to freezing. Yesterday it was 20. So it's starting to warm back up. We're starting to dig out from under the ice. Thank you guys for being patient and understanding. And, you know, it is what it is. Believe me, I would rather be wrenching in a nice, clean, dry shop. That would be great. But I'm just not there yet. So I got to deal with it, you know. So thank you all for being so patient and understanding. We're trying to do our best to get content out every week. I swear, I promise. And we're going to get the shop finished, and we're going to get on big projects. And we got a lot of stuff planned, but we're just not there yet. It's kind of hard to do concrete and trenching when the ground's frozen, you know. So it's at a standstill, you know. When there's an inch of ice on the ground, it just kind of shuts everything down, you know. So believe me, thank you all. I really appreciate all the comments and likes and thumbs ups and the, you know, all that, subscribes and telling your friends. And I sent out a bunch of stickers. I sent out over 50 letters in the last week. So 50 of you got stickers in the mail. Hopefully you all are getting them by now. Hopefully. If you got them, put a comment on this. Say thanks for the stickers, Steve. And if you want stickers, email me and I'll send them to you. I got a big old box of stickers that we ordered. So trying to get rid of them. We're a small YouTube channel and we're just trying to get our name out there. You know what I mean? And I can't do it without you guys. So thank you all. And thanks for being so understanding. And I got to get this chainsaw and get to work. So anyway, till next time. Oh, you know what? This will probably come out on Friday. Sarah mentioned maybe we should just go live and say hi to everybody on Saturday or something. So maybe we'll go live. I don't know. Don't hold me to it. We'll see. But anyway, till next time, See ya.